Hey everybody, it's Jack with Trade Wins. Today I've got some exciting news. After weeks of building, the Trade Wins trading room is officially open. Many of you have asked for a place where we can talk about the market after these YouTube videos end. Well, now we have one. The best part, it's completely free to join. Every evening, Sunday through Thursday, the night before a trading day, I will post my early edge report, and you will have free access to that report. The early edge report lists the stocks and ETFs that I've researched and that I'll be watching the next trading day. The report offers an edge up on the competition and hopefully on the market itself. So during market hours, we'll talk about the market in real time inside our general trading room. Once you join the trading room, it's really easy to find. Think of general trading as our living room. It's a place to relax, talk about the market, share ideas, and enjoy trading together as a community. Later in the day, as you close out your trades, you can head next door to today's trades, where we share what we traded, how the trades went, and what we learned. You don't have to post your trades, but I'll be posting mine, win, lose, or draw. We've also started building the Trade Wins library with trading videos, recommended books, trading psychology resources, and a new trading book called the Trade Wins Playbook. So if you've never used Discord before, don't worry, it's really easy. You just click the invitation link in the description below. It takes less than a minute to create your free account. Once you have your account, you can join us tomorrow morning. And I'll post tomorrow's trades later today. So if you set this up, you set up your account today, you can go in there and get tomorrow's trades tonight. So we'll be there tomorrow morning, a few minutes before the market opens. I'd love to have you with us as we start to build this community together. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to Trade Wins, and I'll see you inside the Trade Wins trading room tomorrow morning. So until next time, let Trade Wins help you get some green on your screen.